In this YouTube tutorial, we'll delve into the essentials of creating a captivating soap logo design. Focusing predominantly on soothing blue hues, we'll explore how to integrate elements like soap foam and delicate aroma visuals to evoke a sense of cleanliness and freshness. First, we will select the blue color and draw the outline of the soap with the help of the pen tool. Search Google for any image that can be used in large size. Here I have taken a soap of orange color and I have locked the layer that I am creating in the outline. Our presentation will guide you through each step, from concept to final design, ensuring your soap brand stands out with a refreshing and aromatic identity. Join us to discover tips and tricks for crafting a logo that not only looks appealing but also conveys the essence of your soap's purity and fragrance. Here, we will use the smooth tool so that we feel that the line is not smooth. We fix it and our image is ready to be perfect. To achieve a polished and refined look in your soap logo design, we'll use the Smooth tool in Illustrator to gently refine the edges and curves, ensuring a seamless and professional finish. Type the word soap using the Typed tool. Be sure to check out my videos about fonts. You will come to know about many free fonts. It can be very useful for you, so please watch my videos. Thanks. To kick off our design, we'll need a great font for the word soap. I always strive to provide you with free fonts to make your work easier and cost-effective. The font we'll be using is Precision VI9, a stunning and elegant choice that is absolutely free for both personal and commercial use. You can download this beautiful font from Dafont. Now that we've got the font, we're going to create outlines, and then we're going to right-click the mouse and ungroup it so all the letters are separated. Now after that, we will bring to our image that we created with the help of the pen tool. We will select it with the help of selection tool, and with the help of eraser tool, we will erase it by 3 places. Thus, this image will be divided into 4 parts. See what we do next. These 4 pieces don't have to be equal. They can be different sizes. You can make them any way you want. You can cut them with a scissor tool. You can also cut them with a knife. You can cut them in any way. It's up to you. Now select these 4 pieces with the help of selection tool. Right-click the mouse. The word arrange will appear in front of you. Click it and click bring to front. In this way, these 4 pieces will be added to the top layer, and the text characters will move down. Now put each letter under each piece. S under 1 piece, O under 1 piece, A under 1 piece, and P under 1 piece. First, S and select a piece using the selection tool. Then we'll go into the object and downwards. Click on envelope distort and click on make with top object. Second, letter O and select a piece using the selection tool. Then we'll go into the object and downwards. Click on envelope distort and click on make with top object. Third, letter A and letter P, select a piece using the selection tool. Then we'll go into the object and downwards. Click on envelope distort and click on make with top object. Now we have the whole word in front of us. We will select these 4 letters and go into the object and expand it. Thus, it will become an object. Now we're going to fine-tune it further, and for that, we're going to go to the direct selection tool and we're going to fine-tune the lines where we think we're not doing well, and we're going to make the lines wider or thinner, and for that we're going to do A, and we will also use the tool, and that is the Smooth tool. We will also need it in some places, so we will do this calmly so that our shape will be the best in front of us. When all this work is done, we will group it. We will only change its color. Here I have chosen blue. When all these processes are completed, we will remove the bottom layer. Thus, our design is ready. Watch his presentation below, which you will find very impressive.